So we are seeing the first print of a useful object. We've got dual cameras on it.
We'll make a 3D movie out of it later.
Yeah, we'll get to hold it together. Exactly.
So we'll make a 3D movie off the 3D printer.
Actually, got the
I really want to do the
MakeHaven
printer.
peanut gallery here.
Or is that Yeah, really cool.
You know what I was going to do is take the MakeHaven logo, make an STL file out of it so you can make a plaque.
That'd be awesome.
Let's see if I can get in there. Clearly, it is printing a gear.
With puzzle kits.
Nice.
That is way better than I thought it would be. Although it could use some work.
Did you guys like make it a rough version? You have like
Well, the settings are
resolution?
the default setting of the printer that for some reason we couldn't.
Layer height, there's a little high maybe.
What is
The layer height might be a little high.
we already should go. I think it's missing here.
Yeah.
You're like, we all know.
Yeah.
The belt. Oh, the belt is loose.
Oh, belt
We need
loose.
another jam nut.
Well, we got most of the way through it. Someone's gonna edit that out, right? Yeah.
I'm sorry, the what?
There's an
There's got it.
That too. Wow, I gotta.
That's why it went way up.
We need another jam nut.
That's full pack. All right.
That's all right. We got
Fairly successful, right? Thumbs up.
very
Cool.
successful.
Yeah. All right.